Number 7 looks for us to find the product, and notice that there is going to be a very interesting pattern that comes from this. We have x plus 10 times x minus 10. So the x times x becomes the x squared. And then the x times negative 10 becomes negative 10x. Plus 10 times x becomes plus 10x. And then we have the 10 times negative 10 becomes a minus 100. Notice that the middle terms here combine. That becomes a 0x. But no one really writes it though. So all we have here is the x squared minus 100. Notice that the middle terms here combine and they cancel out. B. Let's repeat the process by just distributing. 2x times 2x becomes 4x squared. 2x times negative 1 becomes negative 2x. 1 times 2x, it is a 2x. And 1 times negative 1 becomes a negative 1. Notice that the middle terms here will add up because they're like terms, because 0x, but no one really writes that 0x though. We just bring everything else down. 4x squared minus 1, and there you go.